out for a second to show you what it's in Deming, New Mexico. As you can see, really, it's the desert and stuff. The wind is really picking up.